Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is how to look elegant and chic for winter using scarves video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies on how to look elegant and chic for winter using scarves video. And ladies, this video, of course, is all about using scarves to look elegant, to look chic for winter. And this is also a winter outfits ideas video. So this video is basically for you ladies to get inspiration on how to look elegant, how to look chic for winter. And of course, all of the outfits that I am going to be styling today are going to be elegant and chic. Okay, so and I am going to be using scarves to basically style all of the outfits for today's video. But before I share all of the details and everything, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, and fragrance review videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And I post new videos on my channel every Sunday. So ladies, another thing that I do want to mention is that some of these clothes are really old, but if you do want to basically get clothes that are very similar to the clothes that I'll be using in today's video, I am going to be leaving some links down below in the description box to similar clothes that are very close to the outfits that I'll be styling. And then also, please be sure to check out my Amazon store. Can't speak today, ladies. My Amazon store. So that way you can definitely see some outfits that are some of the clothes that are very similar to mine. Okay, so you can definitely go to my Amazon store as well. And I'll be leaving some links down below in the description box. So let me go ahead and get started in the lookbook portion of this video. Okay, ladies, that is it for this how to look elegant and chic for winter using scarves video. And ladies, I actually had fun styling the clothes from my wardrobe and just putting the outfits together and styling them with the scarves. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit with the scarf and the handbags and the shoes. Let me know which one was your favorite. And of course, all of them were my favorite, of course, because I absolutely just love putting scarves together with an outfit. I really feel that a scarf really brings some sophistication to an outfit. And also, if you are planning to buy some scarves for yourselves, because I know in the last video I did get a few comments on some of you wanting to get scarves. You can definitely go to my Amazon store. The link is going to be down below in the description box. And also I wanted to say that if you want to recreate some of the outfits that I did in today's video, I am going to see if I can find clothes that are very similar to the clothes that I have in today's video, and I'm going to add them to my Amazon store, and I'm going to go ahead and leave some links down below in the description box. And also you can follow me on Instagram for some more fashion and style inspiration, some more outfit ideas and makeup ideas. And I do have a group on Facebook that you can actually join on Facebook. I will be doing some live videos on my Facebook group and talk more about makeup, fashion, and style. And also, I do have a blog. I'm going to list everything down below in the description box. And ladies, again, definitely visit the Amazon store if you want to look chic and sophisticated for winter. And I will be adding some items from time to time in the store. So please be sure to check out the store every often because I am updating it from time to time. So I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, and more fragrance review videos. Bye-bye and God bless.